Hey guys, Mike here. I was just gonna really quickly film a intro to this video because this week's kind of been a bit of a shit show to say the least. So I think Monday morning we got up, it was still on average minus 28 to 31 at night Celsius, and it stayed that way right until at least Wednesday. It started to warm up a little bit, but I think it got to like minus 14 or minus 15. So the beginning of the week we didn't get a whole ton done, and yeah, it's just one of those things, and you know, it is what it is. And so the rest of the week we were the minute it started to warm up, we had to take a day to clean things up and whatnot. So as you'll see in this video, we get you out on the skidster and we go do that, and we take you with us for a skidster ride. So thought that might be a little different for you guys. And then the other thing is, later this week I wound up in the hospital because I wound up with a tooth infection. So I didn't get back to it actually till tonight. Tonight is Sunday night. We're on putting up a video and building a video for you guys for Monday morning. And but I thought I'd just sort of give this video a little bit of an introduction to what we're doing. And then after that, what we did after the skidster and all that stuff, got the yard cleaned up, and there's some pictures of before and after. And it is crazily warmed up, guys. It is now nothing below +5. I think today it was as high as 10 or something. All the snow's melted. It looks like a river out front. And we started on this, dealing with this cam sensor on this truck. So anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of how this video is going to look, and now we'll build the video and go from there. So anyway, thanks guys. Like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate it if you guys subscribe, and I'm glad we can bring you this content, and hopefully it all works out. Thanks. Mike out. Mike here, MF Custom Shop. So we'll edit this video, we'll see how it goes. We'll probably add some more stuff to it, but like, share, subscribe, and that gives you a good idea what the Great North looks like after 3 weeks of cold and a little bit of snow. So anyway, like, share, subscribe. Mike out. Thanks for all the support, guys. Mike here, MF Custom Garage. Hey guys, how's it going? Been a little bit. This week's been a little hectic. Unfortunately, I had to deal with a couple things and I actually wound up going to the hospital. So nothing major, just had a tooth that acted up, and we'll go from there. But anyway, this thing's back and it needs a cam sensor. Yeah, the gift that keeps on giving this truck. But anyway, we'll do a cam sensor on this truck. A lot of times when you do a cam sensor on these trucks, you don't have to pull the intake, but we're going to pull the intake, and just because I think it's going to be a bear to get it out. So anyway, that's where we're going to go. We'll do a time lapse, but don't think I'm going to leave you guys on time lapse the whole time. What's going to happen is I'm going to stop at times and talk to you about what's going on, and we'll try it that way, a little different. So anyway, without further ado, we will head on the way here. Thanks. Okay guys, I'm back. As you can see, we took the intake off, and what we see is pretty gross. There's the intake, it's all off. But we had a lot of mice living down in here. And just general overall, this truck's got 350,000 K, and we're gonna have to vacuum the ports and clean everything out. We'll do that, but like I said, she's just she's ugly. So tomorrow we'll go over to the cam sensor, and then somehow amazingly the NOx sensors are still working in this thing, guys. So I'm not sure, we might do them too while we're here, but I thought I'd just show you what it's like with the intake off. Everything's still coming apart though pretty good for being 300 and some odd thousand kilometers on it. I didn't do a time lapse because, I don't know, part of me thinks that bores you guys. But yeah, it all come off pretty good. It didn't take probably, I don't know, it didn't take long to get the intake off. It's going to take longer to clean it all and put it all back together properly. So anyway, we'll go over that cam sensor tomorrow and whatnot, and probably in the next video. So this is where we're at with this thing. Hey guys, Mike here. Listen, we were just looking at the intake. You guys seen how much of a mess it is. We're dealing with everything. This week probably hasn't been the world's greatest videos or anything like that, but whatever. Get some more LS content and some more stuff. And we'll show you some other stuff that's going to be in this video. So we'll put this video together, and we'll probably try to get one more out this week too. So like, share, subscribe, do the thing. Mike out. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks.